Biko tupu m na-ekwu okwu na vidio, achọrọ m ka ị wọchaa vidio anọ ka ịfụ ihe mmadụ kala obi mee mmadụ ibe. Biko nene vidio, echefukwana ka ị sọskraịbụ, kọmentị, like, share ma ọnụ notification gị. Ngwa nenenu vidio anọ.
Even they made this video is because in 24 hours time, just next 24 hours, na this family una mara ifu unu mere ebe nwanne nwoke nọ.
Igenene ha we gwa m n'ihe abụọ alụ. O nwere alụ ka nka. Just watch what they did.
Eze wele kene m unu nepụ ebe a kịta unu ga-afụ nya bụ ụlọ anyị lụrụ nwatakịrị anụnwa bụ Austin nke papa ya nwụrụ anwụ. Then onye ka anyị bịara ebe a today na the compound o wee wụ na akụrụ ụlọ ahụ kụọ ya to level ndị anyị na afụ ga-esi wee kụdị ụlọ kụọ ya to level wee sị na mama ha nwụrụ wee bịazie ebe a wee gwube ini ọ bụgodị na achọrọ igwu ini ebe a o nwee ihe affectịrị ịkụ ụlọ compound niile anụnwa ruo otu a o nwere ebe ọzọ afụ anyị egwu ini ihe nji wee kpọọ unu bụ mụzụ bi eku na ekpọọ unu yi ute ezi Owere onye ọbụla negarịba anya na this compound o nwere ebe ọzọ a ga-egwu ini ebe a belụsọ ebe anyị lụkọtatalụ nwee nne nwee nna ụlọ onye bụ ebe the only place afụrụ na ya na ya n'ụkụtụ ebe ọ dị ebe ahụ the only place afụ anyị egwu ini na enu geeti ebe ọ dị na ena ebe a niile okirikiri ya niile enwere ebe ọzọ nne ha dị asọ ga-anọ na bụrụ sọsọ nya bụ ebe egwuru nya bụ ini nya bụ ebe alụ nya bụ ụlọ. Ekene m unu.
Just imagine this kind of wickedness. They leveled everywhere.
Umuzu be kunie you teze ole kene m unu n'anya now all the man no nwu ya na cause problem ni na Basel onya nwa na mkporo oji galu no straight tatuwasanya n'imi unu na mkporo anya onya nwa o wele straight galu tuwasanya n'imi unu arụ ni n'anya unu afụ ya.
Your own family I may take it through medical means by God's grace. I go me can and Malik in a hospital take admission. When I see that Ogadema his usual way. Even Jipuna, this family, Obuna, the necessary people, Akotaro, to know what to do. It will not be Omandi Kakoko before. Because no one mad could marry, one the mad could marry. Your brother's son, who should be your own son, you gave him a portion where the youth of the land of the community should build house for him. People contributed money to build for him, raised the house to a level, planning on how to complete the building. And the next thing, I'm just trying to cut the story short from what my brother told me, because I asked him questions. How did he come to this? To this point. Okay, now, this is the end of the year. A young man who is an orphan, who you should take as your own son. The next thing was to plan and demolish the house. You just watch the video. Just watch it. A house that has gotten to this level, overnight, they raised the house down to like nothing. As if they were not just I asked myself, the people that did this, doesn't mean people don't have human conscience anymore. My brother came not to fight. He came for peace. He came on his own, not that he came with police, not that he came with a troop of youths to fight, not that he just came. What happened? What is going on? Are you not aware? Were you not the one that gave us this portion to build house for this boy? An orphan, only son and his sister. Two of them alone. And you could not accommodate them in your own, in the house that in a compound you own with your brother. And somebody who is the youth leader, who has been working for this town, who has been taking known and unknown bullets because of his passion for the community. And now you talk in just for nothing's sake. Oh maka if Facebook my mama wepụta video unu for odo embarrassing mmadụ na arụ apụta. I am not calling the name of any family now. Manama na ndị ezi Owerri ndị nugo news ife menu my family I'm talking about. I'm just showing video of the event. I've not shown anybody's face or anybody's picture. It's not just about posting it on Facebook. No. I'm making this for a reason. It's not just about posting it on Facebook, because family can take and the law can take its place. Though my brother told me that the man is in the police custody, but that's not enough. All life from Madagascar, only I believe here that even here, this place is shaking. The place is shaking. Yes, the bleeding has stopped, but this place is not stable anymore. Trying to bear it as a man, and the family. I don't think any of the family member has called him to know how far. I don't have any of your number, but I think this is the easiest way to get to you people. Even if you are around or you're not around, I don't know the family in particular, but he has told me and say, if you know how to cry out for my sake, cry out. Let people know what's going on. See, cry out for him and send me the whole video. And thank God he has the record of everything. Why is this Massimo why is this kind of in fact people being so wicked and mean? Each of one like when you get one, that's the question I'm asking. Is there anybody that will live in this world, in this planet Earth forever? If you are living this life, are you going to live with anything? That's the question. God forbid, not in my family anymore. Not in my family. But if you people don't do the needful, if you don't do the know yourself, your family, I'm not calling your name, I'm not putting any picture of anybody from your family, but do the needful in the next 24 hours. If you don't do it, oh, well, I won't say it all. Because Afugom na enwere ndị bụ bue dike na ọgụ ụnọ chezo na ọgụ ezi na ị ga-achọ dike ahụ. Somebody who intervened while we were having issues in the family, and you did this to him. You did this to him. It's not possible. It cannot happen. The family of Asikwa at large cannot take it. Our own family, the full family at large cannot take it. I don't know about Israel, whether they can take it or not, but our own family will not take it for any reason.